Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well and keeping safe at home. So my name is Pratima, who don't know me. I am going to create a makeup look today along with the dark lips and some boho style. As you can see, my jewelry is related to that. So yeah, let's jump to the video. So I'm already done with prep my skin. So let's start. I am going to show you some products in the video as well, but I'll also put the name in the description box below so you can check it out there. And start it. So this is the Mousse foundation from Maybelline. It's a matte foundation. We don't need to apply a compact after that, but it depends. If you're having an oily skin, you should. So yeah, just wrap it on the. So now you can see I have applied it all over the face. I know it's much, but I'll blend it properly. So just start blending it. So as you can see, I have just completely blended. So yeah. Next step is we are going to conceal the blemishes all over the face. So for that, I'm going to use this Bobbi Brown concealer in the shade 5. The name is Scent. So just apply all over. I also apply the concealer on my moles because I want to cover them. Also, we need to use the concealer for the dark circles, but I don't have any, so just apply a bit. And again, just blend it. Just blend the foundation and concealer as much as you can. Because if you're not, it will give you a very cakey look, so avoid that. I'm looking horrible right now. Okay, so once you are done with the blending, next step we are going to do just to settle down the foundation and concealer with this compact. I'm using this compact from Maybelline New York in the shade Pearl. This is for the fair people. They also, just provide in 3 shades. So, dab it on your neck. Okay. After this, we are going to contour our features, face features. So I'm using this Lakme contour stick for this. This is 2-in-1, so other part I don't use that much. So this one is for the contouring. So we are just going to do the 3 over here, like this. Again, blend it. It's more like a blush. Pink. Okay, once you're done with the blending, so now I am going to use the powdery contour because this is not enough for me. So this is, I'm going to use from the Nykaa palette. It's foundation plus highlighter. I don't have a highlighter brush, so I just, stretch it a bit and just draw a line. Okay. A bit over here. So I'm done with the blending with the brush. Okay, next step I'm just going to apply a bit of lip balm on my lips till the time my lip will get moisturized. For that I'm using Himalaya Herbals Best Test. Okay, next step is eyebrows. So for eyebrows I am going to use this Deborah Milano Eyebrow palette. It's in 2 shades. Also they provide you this balm kind of a thing to just fix your eyebrows. So I'm just going to take the, which one? Okay, the brown one, yeah. Draw a line. So as you all can see, I'm done with the eyebrows. So I'm going to do with my eyes now, which is I'm using Kiko Milano Smart in the shade Smart, I guess. It's okay. So I'm just going to give a very, very light brown look to the eyes. So just start with the outer corner of the eyes. Same at the next eye. Just blend it. Blend as much as you can in the makeup. Just blend. Okay, so when you are done with both the eyes, in one I have already done. So use the highlighter on the upper lids. So that will just give you a very finished look. Just like that. Don't be too shimmery. Okay. Now, I am using this Lakme Insta Liner. And I need to apply a very thin line. I'm not just going to thick it. So it should be a very thin line. So just mark a straight line and ignore the voice at the background too. just attach. See, that's all. Same as the other eye. Okay, once you are done with both the eyes, just apply a bit in the inner corner of the eyes just to give a very catty look. So, just this. Okay, we are done. And the next step is mascara. So this is Maybelline Colossal Mascara. So after that, I'm going to add some shimmer to the inner corner of the eyes just to give the definition. So for that, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Paris Translucent Shimmer Glitter. This is how it looks like. So just take a bit, rinse that off, and just apply it over here. Also at this side. Okay, so after that, for blush, I am going to use this watery tint Tente Car Latte, the face soap. I don't know why I pronounce it right. Just add a few drops to the nose. Just blend it. So we are done with the blending. So after this, we need to apply highlighter to the cheekbones, the top tip of the nose. So just, yeah. Okay, now I'm using this Sugar Grand Finale Setting Mist Matte Spray just to set the makeup for ours. And the final step is lipstick. This is from Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipsticks in the shade 8 Wine and Shine. So yeah, just remove the excess lip balm. Okay. So I don't have any lip liner of this color, so I'm just going to draw a line with the lipstick only. Oh my god, this is so dark. Finally, we are done. I'll just quickly share the final look. Here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you all will like it. This is especially for girls, of course. So I am expecting likes a lot on this. Thank you.